Yeah, I love Samson too, man. The only thing I wish Samson had was a post fade. Because of his animation, he gets blocked a lot if you post fade. You could really get blocked. That's the only thing that I don't like about that card. Jordan, man, been busy, man, with work and stuff like that. Plus, this year ain't like last year, man. I mean, no offense, but there's a lot of Timothys. I got kids of my own, man. I can't babysit people, man. So it's tough. It's tough this year to stream because I don't know. It's not the same as last year, man. Last year it was fun, man. It's just not as fun. Why do you think a lot of the streamers don't stream like they did last year? It's not a coincidence. Only the really big guys came back. Los, Cash, and Richie really were the only ones that came back. The other guys, like King Arthur, all those guys from last year, they barely stream because it's not as fun, man. It's not as fun. A lot of people this year they kind of ruined it, you know. And there's a lot, dude. There's a lot. And Bogdan, what's up, man? How's everything, brother? Yeah, do it, man. Do that. Yeah, that's a good challenge too. You got to get that Kareem, brother. You got to get that Kareem. Uh, uh, It's not even about the game that's not fun. It's just in general. You know what I mean? You know, it's hard to explain, guys, but it's just it's not the same. It's not the same as last year. And I think I actually like the gameplay better this year. I know a lot of people don't, but I think I like the gameplay better this year than last year. There's no Yao Ming shooting a fadeaway three pointer. There's none of that shit going on this year, so I like that. But it's just it's just not the same because too many people are. I don't know. They're like aid streams, man. And I like a lot of the homies, man. Caldy's back, and Caldy's doing great, man. And I hope he gets. Yeah, I'm gonna open up a box, homie. I'm gonna open up a box. Yeah, yeah, Caldy's doing great. And I'm so happy for him, man, because he's definitely the homie. But you know, he's got to deal with a lot, man. And everyone's getting scammed, dude. Listen, it is not cool to scam people. It's not cool. People need to stop that shit right away, man. Because the karma's a bitch, man. And if you're gonna scam, especially if you scam like Golda and stuff like that, that's one thing. But when you scam like a 12-year-old kid, dude, that's so not cool, man. Bram Army, what's up, man? Yeah, see Jordan, yeah, I know, and Lego James just got scammed too, man, and it upsets me, man. You know what I mean? It really upsets me. It's not cool at all, dude. It really upsets me, man, because I don't care how old you are. Okay, if you're 15, if you're 16, if you're 19, if you're 25, if you're 40 like me, okay, dude, you have you have one thing, you have one life, man. You have one way to go through this, man. If you don't do it right, I don't know what to tell you, man. I ain't gonna preach any of you guys, but I'm just saying, man. Scamming people is not cool, man. And the karma's a bitch, man. That shit's gonna come back at you one day. So when I hear that stuff, it really upsets me. Sorry, man. That's like a touchy subject for me, man. Wow, man. Who put that up for 850? Why would you do that? I don't even want to put them up. That made no sense, man. That made no sense. So the gold cards are broken right now, guys. So I wouldn't even waste your time with gold cards because of all the new packs and shit like that just came out. The defensive players, that shit is broken, man. I would stay far away from that stuff. Oh, there's my man Caldi. What's up, Cal? Yo, guys, go check out Caldi, man. He's the homie, man. Go check him out now, man. So go check him out, man. He's awesome. All right. All right, so let's open up the box. You know what, guys? I'm gonna do, if you don't mind, guys, I'm gonna do one more refresh. I'm gonna do one more refresh, guys. I'm gonna do one more refresh, man. Andrew Wanaha, what's up, man? Thanks for coming out. Yeah, I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell the LBJ, man. I've been holding it for like a month now, and now he went down again. I'm really pissed off. I was hoping he'd go up, the bitch, but not yet, man. So yeah, we're gonna do one more refresh, then we'll open up a box, man. So if you have defensive player of the year, guys, don't sell it now. And you want to sell them, you're gonna have to wait for the All Star packs to get out first before you sell those cards if you want to make any money, because all those cards are gonna go so cheap. Okay, like don't buy Dwight Howard, all those cards. Don't buy any of those cards right now, man, because as soon as those All Star pack MVPs come out, all those cards are gonna be dirt cheap, man. Esco, what's good, man? How's everything, brother? How you been, brother? Ronald Torres, what's good, man? Thanks for coming out, brother. Ronald Torres, Andrew Waha, thank you so much for the follows, guys. Thank you. Thanks, Legoat. I'm chilling, Esco. I'm chilling, man. Thank you for the follow, Esco. All right, we're gonna do one more refresh, then we'll open up a box, man. I'm gonna show you right now, Handsome Warrior. Right before we do the box, I'll show you my lineup, man. All right, so let's see if we can snipe something here. MJ is the Go 23. Thank you so much for the follow, brother. Dizzy Ding Dingball, does it say? Dingbat? What's up, man? How's everything? Thanks for coming in. Bobby Johnson, what's up, man? Yeah, I got some stuff, Bobby Johnson. I got some stuff. I just started like around 2:30. I started sniping, and then I said, you know what? I'm gonna go on because I wanted to open up a box. So I'm gonna. I want to get that Dirk, man. That Dirk is cheese. It really is, Juvie. It really is. It's so screwed up. The Xbox refresh is so screwed up right now. I still think I'm about 2 minutes away. It's 4:34 Eastern time right now. We're probably like 2 minutes away. LBJ's going right now for like between 190 to like 230 on Xbox right now. Xbox is cheaper than PS. Remember, guys, today's Thursday, so everything's cheaper. Everything's cheaper today. Yeah, I was looking at it. That's why I didn't put it up. It's way too cheap today to put it up. Dude, that post fade, Bobby Johnson, post fade 99 post fade. 99. Yeah, I would put him up right away. Even though I want the card, I would put the Dirk up right away because, you know, the value is so high right now. I really want the Mitch Richmond. Ah! Oh! And I like Dirk's releases better than last year's too. Bull, what's up, man? Bull's another one, guys, that used to stream all the time last year, and because of the craziness this year, he doesn't stream. You know. But Bull, thanks for coming out, brother. I appreciate it. Ugh, dude, nothing. Dude, there's nothing here, man. You know what I started noticing from the last thing, guys, that you might want to check out? I've noticed that now my players are starting to get injured. If you remember last year, after it was patch 3, everyone got hurt all the time. And then the value of like the leg and the all started getting more expensive. So you guys might want to think about start saving up the for 250 the plus 5 the gold leg and all and just stock it all up just in case that happens because that's what happened last year, and I think you can make some good coinage that way. All right, man. Let's do this box, man. Actually, wait 1 second. Let me. So yeah. So this is the team that I'm rolling with right now, guys. Um, this is my bench. If you guys, if people don't, if you don't have a lot of MT guys, this is actually a card that you could get for like 50K today. And I'm gonna tell you, man, it's actually a pretty good card, man. I don't mind it at all. Okay, so I'm not saying it's Anthony Davis. I'm not saying that, at the power forward, but he's definitely a good center. Good. So for 50K, he's worth it. So that's the team. That's the team, man. All right, so let's do some packs. Oh, thank you, Juvie. Utah, what's up, man? Utah Jazz family. Yo, Utah, I loved the video that you just put out. Guys, go check out Utah's last YouTube video. It's about Stockton and Karl Malone. It was really good video. Keep that going, Utah. You're doing really good, man. It takes a while to hit, but once you hit, man, it'll be worth it. Keep on going, bro. No problem, brother. No problem. Listen, guys. What should I go for? I should go for the Colt for the throwback, right? Open up a throwback. Yeah, no doubt, right? Yeah. Yep. All right. All right. Let's do this, but let's do these packs, man. Let's do these packs. Listen to the noise that this makes. Bong, bong. Good start, man. Good start. Good start. +9 vertical. I'll take that, man. All right. Good start. Good start. I'm gonna do an all Philly flip fast. And it is shite. +9 speed, though. I'll take that. I mean, +6. Hello, Ryan. What's good, man? Wow. Moving mid. Oh boy. Dude, I have to be the worst at opening packs. Period. All right. All right, guys, we're gonna play a game, guys. All right, yeah, but it's Xbox only. If you're not Xbox, it doesn't count because I have no MT left for PlayStation right this minute. So if you pick the gold card correctly, you get 5K. You pick the gold card correctly, you get 5K, guys. All right, Westbrook. You only get one pick though. You only get one pick. Whiteside, Kyle Lowry. Oh, all right, Kyle Lowry. That's a good one. Kobe, Boogie, Millsap, and Lou Williams. All right, you guys ready? Max Monk, what's up, man? Tim Duncan. Sari, you lose. I lose too, guys, because I got the card. So we both lose. You know what I mean? Ian Graham 6. Thank you for the follow, my brother. All right. All right, let's go, man. Give me something. Not Tim Duncan. All right, sorry about that, guys. I screwed that one up, man. Yeah. Utah, in my packs, the only diamond glow you see is the diamond up my ass. That's the only diamond you're going to see here, homie. You know, unfortunately, man, dude, I am ass at packs. Ass. All right. We got a gold again, guys. Yeah, I am definitely from New York, Esco. Absolutely, brother. Good guess. Good guess, brother. Easy E. What's up, man? 88. What's up, man? All right, go. Come on. Pick the gold. Let's go. Pick the gold. Ibaka. That was like a favors. Oh, you guys. This is strategy. Westbrook, Carmelo. All right. Vince Carter. Yeah. Yeah, okay. All right, let's check it out. Kwame Brown. Thank you, Esco. Oh, Tyson Chandler. I'm going to get at least. I'm going to get what? 1.5K? Nice. Nice. God damn. Come on, can I have something? Like something. What's wrong with him right here? Look at George Carl's face. Oh! All right, guys. It's a gold. Let's go. 5K. Pick it, pick it, pick it. Don't pick your nose. Pick the player. Don't pick your nose. No, we don't want any of that. Thank you. Dizzy Dingbat. All right, man. He picked Lance, Love, Rondo. Oh, Rondo I need, so that would be good. Booza, Westbrook. I see a pattern with you, Utah, with Westbrook. I see a pattern there. You know what I mean? You want the diamond Westbrook. I got you, believe me. Kobe, Ibaka, Butler, Rose. All right. You guys ready? Blake Griffin. Wah, wah, wah. Clamp me up. Welcome to the stream, brother. Welcome to the stream. There he is. George Cole. Oh! Nice. You pulled. You're opening up the moments. That's you know what? That's not a bad move, man. Opening up the moments. Yep, and there it is. Deadeye. I'll take it. I'll take Deadeye, baby. 36-15. The bit out. What's up, man? Thanks for the follow, brother. Thanks for the follow. Because these are always trash for me, man. The only one I got, I pulled Paul Pierce. That's the on Christmas. What was that? Christmas Day, Christmas night. I pulled Paul Pierce. That's the only amethyst I've pulled. I open up at least 3 boxes a week, at least. Okay, and I pulled one amethyst in every box since the beginning. One F Kareem. What's up, man? Thanks for coming out. Nadav, what's up, man? Thanks for coming out, guys. Dab it out. How do you say that? Dab it out? Oh, dab it out. It takes me a while, brother. I'm slow, you know. But thank you for the follow, brother. I appreciate it. James Raposa. Thank you for the follow, brother. Thank you. All right, let's see. Let's see what we got here. All right, Raptors. All right, guys, pick it again. 5K to the person who gets it right. It's a gold card. Let me hear it. 242 days. Dude, that's like probably like the beginning, close to the beginning, man. God damn. Paul Gasol, that's a good one. Zach Randolph, Mello, Kobe, Greg Monroe. Yeah, and Dave, you're probably right, man. That probably is the move. Al Horford, Mac Hype, thank you for the follow, homie. Thank you, brother. Kevin Love, Millsap Favors. Oh, dude, there's a lot of good ones there, man. Rudy Gay. All right. All right, let's see it. Oh, Gerald Wallace. Gerald Wallace. How about, why don't you give me one of those Sun guys, man? The ones that I can never pull. Why don't you give me one of those dudes, man, instead of this guy? Come on. Come on. Hello? All right. Yeah, you're too late, Raposa. You're too late, homie. Trying to troll me. All right, this is the 10th one, man, so. And there it is. Just give me shit. All right, come on. Give me Deadeye or Relentless. That's definitely not Deadeye or Relentless. Give me Microwave. All right, if you don't want to give me Microwave, give me like um, stove or refrigerator. Give me some shit, man. Look at this. Offensive. All right. FJ, CFGG, MMNGG, MGGG. What happened, man? What you putting in Pornhub, homie?